Being a DJ is not as easy as it looks. They are constantly trying to figure out the crowd's vibe to drop that perfect track. That's what valuing commercial property is like. Hitting the right note there can totally electrify your investment portfolio. Hey guys, I'm Amit Grover with ECMP Studios, and we're going to tune in into the beats of commercial property valuation and assessment. In the world of real estate investment, understanding the value of your property is like knowing exactly which song will get the whole crowd moving. It's crucial for making informed investment decisions. Commercial property valuation is a complex process that determines the worth of a property based on various factors like location, condition, income potential, and even market trends. This assessment is not just a number, it's a comprehensive analysis that can influence buying, selling, financing, and even tax obligations. Now, why should this matter to you? Because accurate property valuation ensures that you're not overpaying or underselling. It helps you secure financing on favorable terms and guides your investment strategy, much like a DJ adjusts his track to keep the dance floors packed. Now let's dive deeper into the key methods used for the evaluation. Number 1, income approach. This method evaluates the property's worth based on income it generates, similar to how a hit song earns through streams and sales. Number 2, cost approach. Here, the value is based on the cost of constructing a replica of the property, considering depreciation. Think of it as estimating what it would cost to produce another chart-topping album. Number 3, sales comparison approach. This technique compares the property with similar ones that have recently sold, aligning with how chart rankings determine it tracks popularity. Are you interested in learning more about these methods or need advice on assessing your property's value? Feel free to comment below or reach out to us at ECMP. We are here to help you make the most of your real estate investments. In the next episode, we are going to shift our focus to privacy laws and data security in real estate transactions. In today's digital age, ensuring your data is as secure as your property is paramount. Stay tuned. So, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Join the conversation and share your insights as we explore the nuances of property valuation. And as we decode the complexities of real estate market, remember, let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay